What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can share your shopping chart on your Amazon to anyone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your Chrome browser and you have to go to on Amazon website. So after going to Amazon, you have to go to on your chart just like this. You can see I have added 2 items on my chart. So how can I share it to my friends? So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step that I'm going to show you. So after going to the charts, you have to open up a product. You have to click on this. So after opening a product, you can see here is a description of the product. You have to click on this share option. This is the only way guys. You have to click on the share option and you can copy the link. So after copying the link, you can paste it anywhere to your friends. So this is how you can share your shopping chart from Amazon to anyone. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.